Already we have done subtraction in class 2 and 3 without and with regrouping. So the rule is not changed. Similarly, we will do the subtraction in class 4 also. The rule and regulation, everything is same. How to subtract the numbers. Only in class 4 we are subtracting larger number. Okay. But for the larger number also we will use the same rule. What we are using in class 3 and class 2. So let's start with one example. Subtract here. Find the difference. Here is the question. Find the difference of 69,800 and 46,400. So you have to find the difference of 69,800 and 46,400. So first rule what we are knowing that always we are subtracting the smaller number from the bigger number. Means first we are writing the bigger number and then we are writing the smaller number down and then we are subtracting. So these numbers are not arranged in column. First we have to arrange in a column. And for arranging in a column, we are writing the place value table. We are writing these numbers in a place value table. So, right here, it will be 10,000. Because it is 5-digit number, so we are starting from 10,000 only. Otherwise, lakh place is also there. 10 lakh place is also there. Okay. So, 10,000, 1,000, 100. Tens, ones. Okay. We have to arrange this number into in place value table here. For easy purpose, we are starting always arranging the number from this hand side. Okay. Means from this side we used to start arranging. Otherwise, if you are smart, you can arrange directly also. Like that, it is 60,000. So you will write under the 10,000 place. It is 9,000, you will write under the 1,000 place. It is 100, you will write under the 100 place. And it is tens, then under the tens place, and it is ones, so under the ones place. So like that also you can arrange. Otherwise simply you start arranging from this hand side. Okay. So here it will be 0, 0, 8, 9, 6. Okay. Now next we will write the smaller number. First we have written the bigger number. Next we will write the smaller number. Here it will be 0, 0, 4, 6, 4. Now we have to subtract it here. Okay. And when we are subtracting, always we are starting from right hand side. Means first we are subtracting the number or digit which is in ones place. Then what is the digit which is in tens place, then in 100 place, then in 1,000, then 10,000. Always we are starting from right hand side. Okay, there is a rule. So we will start from this hand side only. 0 minus 0 will be 0. 0 minus 0 will be 0. 8 minus 4 will be 4. 9 minus 6 is 3. And 6 minus 4 is 2. So this is only what we get. It is known as difference. That only is asked in the question of find the difference. So this is only difference of these two numbers. So now some technical name also. We will write here this. What the answer is coming that we used to call difference. And the number from where we used to subtract the smaller number, that bigger number is known as minuend. and a number which is being subtracted from the bigger number, that means smaller number, is known as subtrahend. So bigger number we used to call minuend and the smaller subtrahend, and what the answer is coming, that is known as difference. Okay, difference of these two numbers. And always we are subtracting the smaller number from the bigger number. This is what we have done, the subtraction, that is without regrouping. No need to regroup into a place value, okay, different place value. Now we will discuss one example in which we have to regroup the number. For example, here, find the difference of 9 lakh 58,028 and 6 lakh 41,280. We have to find the difference of these two numbers, okay? Same rule we will apply here. First we will write the bigger number, then smaller number in a place value table. Always when we are arranging from a right hand side only. We start arranging from a right hand side. So 8 is here, 2 tens, 0 hundred, 8,000, 5 10,000, 9 lakh. Okay. Here it is 0 ones, 8 tens, 200, 1,000, 4 10,000 and 6 lakh. Now we have to subtract it here. Again we have to subtract from a right hand. We will start subtracting from a right hand side only. Means first we will subtract the number which is in ones place, then we will subtract the number which is in tens place, then the number which is in 100 place, then the number which is in 1000 place, then the number which is in 10,000 place, and at last we will subtract the number which is in lakh place. So we will follow that rule only. So start from here. 8 minus 0 is 8. But we can't subtract 8 tens from 2 tens. We can't subtract, okay? Can we subtract 8 tens by 2 tens? No. So this tens have to borrow 100 from the 100 place. Okay, they have to borrow 100, then it will become now 12 tens. But 100 place is also not having anything to give. So this 100 will ask 1 from 1000. Okay, this 100 asks 1000 from 8,000, and this 8,000, after giving 1,000, this 8,000 will become 7,000. Okay, and we know 1,000 is equal to 1000. So this will become 1000 now. Now this 1000 can able to give 100 to this tens. So when this 10 is giving 100, this 100 will become 900 and this will become 12 tens. Because we know now 100 is equal to 10 tens. So 10 plus 2 tens already this tens was having. So it is now 12 tens. Now we can subtract easily. We can subtract 8 from 12. So 12 minus 8 it will be 4. Then 9 minus 2 it will be 7. 7 minus 1 it will be 6. 5 minus 4, 1. 9 minus 6, 3. So that is the difference of these two numbers. So simply what we are doing here, we are borrowing the number from the next higher place value. When we are subtracting the number, it will be smaller than we used to borrow from the next higher place value. That only we are doing the subtraction with regrouping. And here the bigger number is known as magnitude and the smaller number is known as subtrahend. And what the answer we are getting after subtracting, that is known as difference of these two numbers. So some more example we can discuss here. So for example, here it is given that find the difference of 29,875 and 89,521. We have to find the difference of these two numbers, okay? First what we will do, first we will compare the number which one is bigger, because rule is that first we have to write the bigger number in the column, then smaller number, then we have to subtract. So first we will find which one is bigger, this number is bigger or this number is bigger. You know how to compare the number now? For comparing the number, first we are counting the digit, how many digit is over there. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. Here is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. Both the number is 5 digit number. Okay, both the number is 5 digit number. Now we will compare the number of higher place value. We will compare the digit of higher place value. All time we start comparing from this hand side, left hand side. Okay, so we will compare the digit which is in 10,000 place. Here it is 2 and here it is 8. So you can see that 8 is bigger than 2. That means that this number is greater number than this number. This number is bigger than this number. So first we have to write this number in a place value table. So first of all, we are arranging in a column. So here it is 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. Now arrange the number in a column. First we have to write this number because this number is bigger. Arrange from right hand side only. Start arranging. 1, 2, 5, 9, 8. Okay? Because it is 80,000. So 8 10,000, 9,000, 500, 2 tens, 1 ones. Similarly, we will arrange this number also. 5, 7, 8, 9, 2. Then we will subtract it here. Okay? Now first of all you can see that we can't able to subtract 5 ones from 1 ones. We can subtract. Is it possible? 1 minus 5 we cannot subtract now. So we need more ones. So this will borrow from here. When there is a less number is there, then we used to borrow from the next higher place. So this will borrow from here and it will become now 11 ones. Okay? Because we have taken 1 tens from here. And after giving 1 tens, this 2 tens will become 1 tens now. Okay? Now we can subtract 11 minus 11 minus 5 and it will be equal to 6. So 11 minus 5 is 6. Now again, it is not possible to subtract 7 from 1. Is it possible? No. Again, this will borrow 100 from here and it will become 11 tenths. Now it is possible. 11 minus 7. Okay? And this 5, after giving 1, this 500 will become 400. Don't forget to write these things, otherwise you will make mistake. Because here it is, he has given 1 now, so now it becomes 4. So 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. That is 4 tenths. 11 tenths minus 7 tenths is equal to 4 tenths. Now again, it is not possible to subtract 8 from 4. Not possible. Again, this 100 have to borrow 1000 from there and it will become 1400. Okay, after borrowing it will become 1400 and this 9 will become 8000. So now we can subtract 8 from 14 and it will be equal to 6. So here it is 600. Again, 8 is smaller than 9. Again we have to borrow from here. We will borrow from here and it will become 18 and it will become 7. Now 18 minus 9 is equal to 9 and 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So you can see here, when the number is smaller than the number what is written in downside, this number have to borrow 1 from the next higher place. So like this we can subtract the number with regrouping. You do the relative exercise of your chapter and please practice it. Thank you, children.